Southport, North Carolina to get some seafood and oysters. And we'll probably head over to Oak Island and hop out on the beach for a little bit.
Oysters is considered seafood too.
That's true, they are. But we're just gonna walk around town.
We're gonna take Pisgah to the ocean. She's never seen a big body of water.
She's actually never even been swimming before.
No, she hasn't. So we're gonna let her see the ocean and see how she likes it. I don't know what she's gonna think.
It's supposed to stop raining later on in the day, so it's like 45 degrees right now. It was supposed to get up to 60.
Yeah, it was supposed to be like in the 60s.
But I guess it will whenever it stops raining. So, hopefully, anyways.
Hopefully. It'll probably be chillier though at the beach because the wind coming off the ocean.
Maybe.
Oh well. Either way, we'll have fun.
Well, we're just outside of Southport and we're about 15 minutes out. And the weather decided to break on us, so we're have some sunny skies. Well, I wouldn't say sunny. We got some overcast, and it stopped raining at least. And temperature is 62, so I think we're gonna have a nice little day.
Patch of blue.
A patch of blue coming in.
I don't know if it'll come out.
Maybe the sun will peek through
Maybe.
a little later.
I'm just glad the rain stopped.
Yeah, me too.
Take Pisgah to the beach.
Little shack on the side of the road. Little taco shacks are the best places ever.
So good.
Mm-hmm. This is the best fish taco ever.
I don't agree, but I've had lots of fish tacos. We need to go back to this whole best fish taco in the world thing. I can't.
Okay.
It was delicious. That
It
hit the
was.
spot. That was like the perfect snack.
Okay, it wasn't the best in the world.
Okay, like, thank you. Finally, you're
Because
admitting.
I've had way better ones in Hawaii,
We
and they were
lived in
good.
freaking Hawaii and ate
they were
tacos
good.
all the time.
But it's the best one I've had in a while. It was really good.
That's completely
Fresh.
different. You can't go on video and say these are the best tacos in the world when they're not.
It was good though. Anyways,
Where are we going?
we are going to Oak Island right now.
Are you sure?
First,
Okay.
hang out on the beach a little bit
Yeah.
and let Pisgah run around, the sand, whatever she gets into.
Whatever she gets into, that could be a lot of things.
Yeah. So that's where we're going right now.
Okay. So go.
And afterwards, we'll go hang out in Southport and everything. So. Well, we've made it to the beach. Just gonna don't know what to do. She's confused about the water. She says, run! So we're here at the Oak Island Lighthouse. This isn't one of the older ones, but it's Still pretty neat. Yeah, it started to rain on us again, but it's okay. Well, we got here and so, but it's still pretty cool. So I guess we're gonna go out on the beach.
We gotta come apart.
How good was it?
The best oysters in the world.
After the ordeal we had earlier?
Yeah.
Okay, they were pretty darn good.
Oh my gosh, I've never had warm oysters before, but
They were
holy
good.
smokes, they were so good. I was a little nervous about like warm raw oysters. So good.
Yeah, we got 6 warm, 6
cold.
cold, and then we got like a bucket,
A steam pot
a steam pot.
for
and-
2.
Oh my gosh.
We'll be back.
We ate all of it. I was surprised.
It was
came
so
out.
good.
When it came out, I was like, we're not gonna eat all
We
this.
had like, so we had to sit at the bar because it was an 1.5-hour wait. We had a bowl of oysters, another bowl of oysters, and then a tray of a steam pot.
It was tasty.
Like, it
That
was-
is- That
was
is for sure.
so much food.
But
I know.
we'll definitely come back.
Oh
if
yeah.